Okay, yeah, just got the turbo back from Ruben over at SoCal Porting. This guy is legendary. I've been sending people to him for ages. Just got this one back for a client. I'm replacing the engine with a new engine from the dealer manufacturer, and had the heads rebuilt, and I wanted the turbocharger to be gone through it, and it's a good thing I did, because this one had some damage from sandblasting, and the sandblasting came from aftermarket air filter, the Cobb intake, which doesn't really filter air or dust very well. The dust just goes right through, and a lot of sand gets through, gets in the engine oil, damages the impeller. As you can see here, here's the old impeller. He changed it out. He said he could use it, but I wanted a new one, so he's like, okay, here you go. I had one lying around, hooked it up. But yeah, he does excellent work. Highly recommend him. I literally, this is one of the few people in the industry I blindly trust. You can just send him something, tell him what you want. He takes care of it, does it right, and sends it back to you. And it's that simple. All I did was throw the turbo that I wanted to get overhauled in the box, send it to him via UPS, and a few days later, thing was overhauled, and he sent it back. And this one has new bearings. I mean, everything's going to be different. Every story's going to be different. But this one, he had new bearings, new seals, balanced the turbine shaft. As per request, I had him put another turbine in the front. The back was fine, left it alone. Looks like this thing got sandblasted or something. It looks really clean, really nice. He uses high grade materials, and I mean, depending on what you need, he's got everything handled for you. He does also porting, manifolds, intakes, cylinder heads, all that kind of stuff. You can custom port a turbocharger to make more power, enlarge the holes and everything, port match, polish, and you can also replace the wheels with custom ones. He's just basically a turbo genius. And yeah, it's just like basically a mini little review about his quality work, and I would recommend him to anyone in the country. If you want a turbo gone through, just contact his social media or his information, which I'll provide below, and you'll be shocked at how his prices are actually very reasonable. This one, I believe, was around $350 or so to overhaul, and it's better than new, and I couldn't be happier. He also showed me photos of the components inside, which I'll put on here, and basically you can see that the bearings were damaged from dust and dirt from that Cobb intake. That's why I recommend, if you have a Cobb intake or something similar with the filter is not that good, go ahead and replace it with a stock filter. Go back to stock. That's the best way to go. Or get a K&N or AEM filter, something that filters better than Cobb, because it's just not going to last very long. It eats it up. The dust and the dirt gets in there and chews up the bearings. It eats up the impeller wheel, as you can see on this one. I'll zoom in again here. See all the notches on there? That's from sandblasting. That's just from driving around town. See that? It's got that notch in there. And see the one he threw in there for me? That one doesn't have notches on it. Isn't that crazy? Oh, look at that, yeah. But yeah, I'm very happy with the work, and I recommend that everybody go to this guy. He's the best. Anyway, I've also had some exhaust manifolds ported out by him right here. These are the stock manifolds. He ported them out. They can make good power. And you still get that iconic rumble. So, and he can also do special high temperature coatings, so you don't have to deal with as much heat under the hood. So if you want coatings done on your turbo, special custom work done, go ahead and contact him. But yeah, unfortunately, I got this thing all wrapped up. I can't show you the manifold, but he just ported that thing out really well. And I got an old school Grimspeed pipe, front pipe in there, and I got an up pipe, and this thing's gonna be a beast. It's got ported out manifolds. It's gonna make some good power. I can't wait to get this rally car on the road. It's gonna be the... Appreciate the time, and remember, love, peace, chicken grease.